Everywhere you go, people are talking about Minoxidil. You'll see it on YouTube, Instagram, even in doctors' offices. They say it's a magic solution for hair loss. But is it really that amazing? Or is it just hype? Let's talk about what Minoxidil really is, how it works, how to use it the right way, what problems it can cause, and the most important question, do you have to use it forever? So, stay with me because this video is going to be super useful for you if you are in your hair regrowth journey. Firstly, let's talk about, what is Minoxidil? Minoxidil is a medicine for hair loss. It comes in the form of a liquid or foam that you apply to your scalp. It was first made as a medicine for high blood pressure, but people noticed that it also helped their hair grow back. That's how it became a hair treatment. You'll find it in brands like Rogaine, Regain, Kirkland, etc. How does Minoxidil help with hair growth? It makes hair follicles stronger and increases blood flow to your scalp. This helps hair grow thicker and stops it from falling out too soon. What types of Minoxidil are available? Liquid solution, 2% or 5%, you apply it with a dropper. You can feel this solution a bit oily. Foam, 5%, easier to apply and dries faster, less sticky. Some doctors also prescribe oral Minoxidil, tablets, for hair growth, but that's a different thing and should only be taken if a doctor suggests it. How to use Minoxidil the right way? Make sure your scalp is dry before applying. Use 1 milliliter of liquid or half a cap of foam twice a day. Apply it gently on the areas where hair is thinning. Don't wash it off for at least 4 hours. Be patient, it takes 3 to 6 months to see results. Wash your hands after applying. Does Minoxidil really work? Yes, it works for many people. It helps in genetic hair loss, pattern baldness, stress-related hair fall, post-pregnancy hair thinning. Side of Minoxidil, most people don't have serious problems, but some may feel itchy or dry scalp, facial hair growth. If it drips to your face, hair shedding in the first few weeks, this is normal and temporary. Rarely, dizziness or fast heartbeat, especially with tablets. Do I have to use Minoxidil forever? Minoxidil doesn't fix the internal cause of hair loss, but it just works on the follicles to keep your hair in a healthy growing phase. So, yes, you must keep using it forever. If you stop, the hair you gain will fall out again in a few months. Some people even experience more hair fall after stopping, but it stabilizes later. So, you have to think twice before using it. Is it possible for you to keep using it forever?